Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I make several videos a week all about cruelty-free beauty, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I hope you'll please consider subscribing. Also, please ignore my voice. I've been battling a cold for these past few days and I sound terrible, but we're just going to push through it because I'm wanting to try some new lashes today from LA Colors. Recently, LA Colors launched these new lashes. They are their Dramatilash Extra line, and there's 6 different ones. And I wanted to do a video just showing each of the styles and what they would look like on my eyes. And I feel like even if you're someone who is not that into lashes, but maybe you're curious about them or you just want to try different styles or something, I think these are a really good choice because they are only $1.24 at Walmart. You can't beat that price. I mean, come on. And because of my cold, I'm not wearing any foundation or anything like that because I just feel like I'm gonna keep rubbing it off when I'm touching my face, my nose, and everything. So the only thing I have on is a cream blush and a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And I did go ahead and take a black eyeshadow and line my lash line as well. And I thought I would just do that because I'm not wearing anything else on my eyelids. And they come in little boxes that are just like this. There are 6 pairs. I believe there's only 6 pairs that were released. These are the only ones that I found at my local Walmart. So I'm just going to open each of these little boxes so I could show you the lash without the glare because my ring light wants to glare on the packaging. This is the style Indulge Me, FABU-LICIOUS, XTRA, VOOM, METAGLAM, and Dynamic. So what I want to do is I'm going to have to trim each of these lashes up a little bit to fit my eye shape a little better, and I'm going to show you each pair and how they look on my eyes. So let me just trim them up and I'll be right back to show you each style. And there you have all 6 pairs of lashes, and I've never really had a problem with LA Colors lashes as far as a quality standpoint. They usually last a good amount of times as long as you're taking care of them and you're very gentle with them. Now this line, the Dramatilash, I want to say I've only ever used a pair maybe once, and I do tend to like their 3D foaming line a little bit better. However, I think these are really nice. I didn't struggle with getting any of these pairs on. The style I'm wearing right here is the style Dynamic, and I really thought that they would be my least favorite pair because I do kind of like lashes that are either more on the natural or maybe kind of in the middle. These are very bold and very long and very fluffy. But you know what? I kind of like the vibe of knowing that I can maybe flutter my eyes and fly away. I do like that. And considering that I don't really feel my very best today, they help. I think they're really pretty. You know what? These might actually be my favorites out of all of them, and I never thought I would say that. Even though every single pair I tried all have their charms, I think I do really like these, and then I do like the style Extra, which is kind of like the vibe that I usually go for on a regular basis. But that is the entire video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it helpful in case you were wanting to try out any of these lashes. I mean, for $1.24 you can't go wrong with that. But thank you so very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.